What's up guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime today. So I need to check if I can use some stuff. I'm going to open this first, see what I get in it. Hopefully I get any slime. Yes, I got a new slime, okay. Not the slime I would liked, but I got a new slime anyways. So let's continue on with the video. I'm going to be showing you some of my slime and showing you how to make it after this advert passes on, because I don't want to see this advert and this one because they're both connected. I actually don't know why they've got adverts going on games that they shouldn't have, but it's fine because I don't really care, because we're about to make a slime and I'm about to show you it. Sorry guys, I get tired when adverts are on, but let's go. So I'm going to be showing you me making slimes if I can get onto it. Here's the bowl that you make the slimes in. What you'll do is you'll get glue and all that stuff, and then you'll circle your hand in a circular motion like that until this glue pours in, and then the activator, and then eventually it'll make slime after you add the ingredients to it and the things you need to it. So hopefully you guys know how to use it. After I'm done with showing you guys. So yeah, that's slime I made. Hope you guys like it. That's all the slime I'm going to make today. See you all in the next one. Bye. See you all next time. After this advert, I'm gonna kill everyone that made these adverts. Anyway, these slime games are the best games that we would purchase and make. So we're only making 2 slimes today, and that'll be the end of it. And yeah, hopefully you guys like it. I don't really know if you'll like it or if you won't, but this is supposed to be a Halloween one I make here. And a whole bunch of others. But I'm just gonna show you my other ones instead of making more. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my slimes. I'll be playing music in the background as you watch these. Aww, I got the wrong color. Whatever, it doesn't matter. It's just a game. I can live on with life.